What did that look like for you guys coming in as an organization in the city and building influential relationships that allow you to help at a greater scale?
Good example of that was, I don't like to say the C word, but the time in which we had with the vaccinations, right? We have Good Health Wins, which is a platform that allowed us to reach out to do vaccinations. We did vaccinations in the, as we say, Black and brown community, right? Well, individuals in the city didn't quite necessarily know how to reach them because of miseducation about the vaccination. But there's a trusted resource within the city, within our neighborhood, and Denver Heights is the neighborhood, if you guys aren't familiar with us, and we're able to get out there and say, hey, look, we're going to educate, we're going to lead the charge on how can we better serve and save our people, and that's giving informed information about the vaccines that are being given, and then giving them a location that's not out of the area, close to their house, proximity to them. We're bringing it to them to be able to make sure they're safe.
Brought to you by the San Antonio Kappas.